Hi, in this video I want to show you how to quickly fix the angle on the Simple Deform Modifier. And that will happen if you have an object that has an origin specified in the Simple Deform Modifier, and it's anything other than the original origin point. And as you can see, the angle is set to 90 degrees, but if we go in the side view, you can clearly see that the angle isn't 90 degrees from the origin. It's maybe 45 or slightly less than that. Before I dive in, let me just show you what I have set up here. I have a cylinder with a bunch of loop cuts. I have the origin pointing to an empty object, which is right up here. And then I have a vert group set up with these vertices for bending. And that's pretty much it for this setup. To fix the angle, what we need to do is adjust the lower limit in the restriction section. And to do that, we simply use a formula, which is the Z position of the empty object divided by the original height of the mesh we're bending. So in this case, we want to turn off the real-time display for the modifier so we get the original height, which is 20. And turn back on the modifier so we can see the change as we apply it. And the empty object is a Z height of 13.3333 meters. So in here, under the lower limit and restriction, we want to type in 13.3333 for the Z height of the origin, and then divide it by the original height of the object, which is 20 meters. And there we go. Now you have a perfect 90-degree angle. Go to the side view, you can see it's perfectly 90 degrees. We can also test it again with 180, and it'll loop all the way around down to there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.